Guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this image reveal on hover animation using animation add-on plugin. Okay, so you can see that here we have image reveal on hover, and you can see we have different types of images. So you can see here we have the image one. So when you hover on the first box, the different image will reveal, and in the second box also you can see we have the different image, and in the third box also we have the different image. Okay, so I will show you how to make this type of animation using the animation add-on plugin. So let me show you that plugin. So this is the official page of that plugin. So here we have the animation add-on plugin. So here you can check all of these feature. Here you can see we can make this type of animation. Okay, and here we have this type of animation also we can make. You can see, you can check it out, the official page of this plugin. Here we have all of the starter templates, like here we have the view demo. All of these features are there. Okay, and here you can see we can make this type of horizontal scrolling by using this plugin also, animation add-ons. Okay, so let's go below. Here I will show you some of more features. Button smooth scroll. You can see this is the pin animation. Here you can see draw SVG. Here these are the pricing and plans options. So you can see here we have the annual and lifetime plans. Okay, so this is the annual plan is for the one site, then 5 site, 10 site, and this is a lifetime plan. Okay, and here you can see all of these features. Okay, so you can also check it out. Here you can see all of this feature. Here we have the image animation. Okay, so you can check it out, their website, and there are all the pricing and plans. Okay, I have also made many videos on this, so you can check it out, our playlist for the animation add-ons. So you can see. Okay, so now let me show you how to make this type of image reveal on hover animation. Okay, so for making this, let me add a new. So let me add this. So let's open this page. Also we can add a new page. So let me open this only, and we're gonna add this from start. Okay, I will make that again. So I will remove this fully, and I will make this whole again from start. Okay, so let me remove this main fully. Okay, now you can see that we can make a fresh start. So here we have to add a new container. So like this, here we can name this container main. Okay, so now you can see here we have the 1300 max width. Here we can make this like this. Okay, here we can add 80 pixel to the top, 80 pixel to the bottom. Then we have this heading here. Okay, and here we can make this text like image reveal on hover. Okay, image reveal on hover, and we can also make this black color. Then we can also increase the size of this. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add one more container. So we can add this one more container here. Okay, like this. Now what we can do, we can just add some more container. So we can name this container main, and inside this we can name this one. Okay, and here you can make this in the center. Let's give some height 500. Okay, let's give some color. Let's use this image. Okay, now we can make this center, and display size would be cover. Here we can have the background overlay property, make this black. Okay, and here we can play with the opacity, like we can add this little bit opacity 0.7. Okay, then we can add the heading on this. So let me copy this, and we can make this white. So you can see that we have this image one. Now we have to go to this one. Okay, now we can duplicate this. So before duplicating, you can see we have this image one. Let's go to advanced, and here you can see we have this image reveal on hover. Let's use this, and we have to enable this. Okay, so now you can see image is coming. Okay, enable on editor, so it will load the editor here. So now let's give the width like 150, and height also let's give 150. So the width and height of the image will be like this. Okay, you can just customize it also, like we want to show the height and width to 200 pixel like this. Okay, so you can also customize the position. Okay, so now we can set the image. So let's choose the image. Suppose we want this image only. So we have the blur image in the background, and we want to show the actual image here. Okay, now we can duplicate this. Let's duplicate this. Let's go to main, and here we can make the flex direction row and center. Okay, now you can see that we have this. So let's go here 2. Here also we can go to 3. Okay, now let's replace image one by one. So we can go to the second here. You can also rename this 2. We can also rename this 3. Okay, here you can see we have the 2. So now we can go to this, and here we can choose the different image. So let's choose this. And or hover, we want to show some different image, so we can go to this image reveal on hover, and here we can choose the different image like this. Okay, now we can do this for third one. Go to third. Here also we can choose the third image. Now on advanced, let's go to image reveal on hover. Here we can choose this third image like this. Okay, like this. Now we can publish this. Now let's go here, and we're gonna refresh this again. So you can see now it is working, image 2 and image 3. Okay, in the similar way you can also, if you want some more slides, you can just go here and you can just duplicate this like this. So it will duplicate, and you have to just follow the same step for the rest also. Okay, so I hope you understand how you can make this type of horizontal scroll using the animation add-on plugin. So this is not the horizontal scroll, this is the image reveal on hover. Okay, and you can check it out this website. You will find so much types of animations tutorial here, features. You can just go to the feature image reveal on hover. We have just used this image reveal on hover animation. So you can see when I go here, you can see we have this type of only here. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so you can check so much animations are there. You can just go to feature one by one. Image animation, split test, horizontal scrolling is there. I already make the video of horizontal scrolling. I will put the link in the video description, so you can check it out from there. Okay, so the horizontal scrolling is that, so it will scroll like this. So this is the horizontal scrolling, and it will. Okay, so I will create a playlist, so you can check it out, all of the videos from there. I will regularly keep update this type of videos. Here you can see there are tons of widgets, so I will keep exploring these type of widgets, and I will make tutorial videos on this one by one. Okay, I already make the pro version of this plugin walk around video, and also for the free one, so you can check it out. All the links are in the video description. Okay, so I hope you like this type of videos. If you are new to our channel, like and share our video with a friend, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see you next time.